Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.2 developer beta is not showing on the software update section. So if you're trying to download the new beta profile iOS 16.2 and you're not getting the update, even if you're trying to download it from the Apple beta website but you're still not getting the update, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can get iOS 16.2 beta in your iPhone or iPad. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is open your Safari browser in your iPhone. So make sure that you don't have any beta profile. So go to the VPN and device management. So if you have any previous beta profile, make sure that you remove it. Then go to the Safari browser and search for the beta profile. So this website right here. So open this website, scroll down, and as you can see here is iOS beta profile, iOS 16.2 beta. Click on install profile, click on install, click on allow. Now go back to your setting, click on VPN and device management, click on downloaded profile, click on install, enter the passcode. Now simply click on not now. Now go back to the software update section, and as you can see here is the iOS 16.2 developer beta. So this is how you can get this iOS 16.2 beta software update in your iPhone if you are not getting from the Apple beta website. So hope you will like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.